Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to find hidden album on an iPhone that can't use anything. So the first one is all about we have the tab over here in the photos. Now from here you have to scroll down over here, like this you have to scroll down. And over here as you can see under the utilities, we'll be having a section or a header where you have to tap on this one and you have to get into this where they enter the Face ID, or you can use it as code as well. And right now, most probably the photos that they have or the videos that they have will be over here. So right now, in my case, I've not made any photos or videos hidden, so it's not there. But in most cases, this will be here. But some cases might end up having a confusion. So what we have to do, if the hidden section or this particular option is not here, so that is why only happens just do the custom. There is nothing to manage. You just need to go back to the settings over here, and from the settings you have to scroll down and you have to navigate to the apps, tap on the apps at the bottom. Now from here you have to navigate to photos. So just scroll down and navigate to photos over here. And now we have a tab on the photos. Now from here over here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see there is an option where you show hidden album. So if it is there off, you'll not be having this particular section under the hidden album under the utilities. So make sure this is turned off. So if it is not, this is nothing to manage, just you have to custom whether this is turned on or not. That's all you have to do. Now in most cases, this can help you. This is quite simple as it is. Having all this video is helpful, and if you find this really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.